Third, separation of mixture of two liquids. Mixture of two different liquids can be separated by fractional distillation and by using a separating funnel. Sometimes, two miscible liquids and two immiscible liquids are separated. Example 1. Separation of mixture of two immiscible liquids. Mixture of two immiscible liquids can be separated by using a separating funnel. Mixture of kerosene oil and water is taken in a separating funnel. Now, this funnel is kept for some time without any disturbance. After some time, two layers of kerosene and water is observed. Due to the difference in density, formation of the two layers is observed. Layer of kerosene is above the layer of water because the density of water is greater than the density of kerosene. Now, stopcock of separating funnel is opened and the lower layer of water is poured into the beaker carefully. Stopcock is closed when oil is reached to the stopcock of the separating funnel. Rest of the layer of kerosene in the separating funnel is poured into the another beaker. In this way, the components of the mixture of two immiscible liquids are separated. 2. Separation of the mixture of two miscible liquids. The mixture of two miscible liquids can be separated by fractional distillation. Mixture of two liquids whose boiling points are different is used in fractional distillation. Alcohol and water are two miscible liquids. The boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius and that of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So, the mixture of alcohol and water is taken in a distillation flask. A thermometer is fitted with the distillation flask. Now, the flask is heated slowly. When temperature is reached at the boiling point of alcohol, then alcohol is vaporized. Vapor of alcohol is condensed by condenser. So, the alcohol is collected in a beaker from the condenser outlet. Water is left in the distillation flask because water is not boiled due to not reaching the temperature at the boiling point of water. In this way, the components of two miscible liquids can be separated.